We're going to have a component similar to the Home Modules component. This will be screen scoped and depend on application depths. We have an inject function taking in our fragment as an argument to tell Dagger that we need this component to be able to assign any injected dependencies for the repo details fragment. Because we need the repo owner and repo name, we're going to bind those values into the Dagger dependency graph so that our view model can inject them. To do this, our create function on our factory will have two arguments with the binds instance annotation. When you want to make different instances of the same type injectable in Dagger, you need to use a qualifier annotation. The qualifier annotation can be a custom one you make, which is just an annotation class that itself has the qualifier annotation on it, or you can use the named annotation and provide a string value. This is how the named annotation looks. Now, if we want to inject the repo owner string, we have to annotate the injection site with @named and then repo_owner as the value. If we tried to inject a string with no qualifier annotation, the build would fail because there is no unqualified string provided in our Dagger graph right now, and I suggest that there never should be. For common types like string, it's always good to use a qualifier annotation to explicitly declare what this value is for. We add the inject extension function that will build the Dagger component by taking in the arguments out of the fragment args bundle. We're going to crash if the expected values are not present, since that means the fragment was not created with the expected arguments, so we want to fail fast. Outside of the get component block, call .inject as we did before in our home component.